running a real estate agency and the major problem was adding the leads to CRM. My team used to manually copy paste the details into my CRM. This was an error prone, time consuming and a hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created this amazing automation where automatically all my details will be added to my CRM, and the major problem, which is the error prone task it will be solved because it is going to happen through automation. And this won't remain hectic anymore because I just have to sit back and relax, and all of this is going to happen in background. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your real estate leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of details to GoHighLevel for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is RITYT, which is just for you because you watch our YouTube videos. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this discount coupon code, which is attached right over here. Okay, so now what you have to do is, if you are a new user, just log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard and then the workflow builder. And this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for 99 acres and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. Now you're going to see that we have received this webhook URL. So what you have to do is to automate the lead capture, copy the webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. And for that, you have to reach out to account manager from 99 acres. Because 99 acres portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team of 99 acres, or you have to reach out to your account manager from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the leads information in your webhook response below. I have already added this webhook URL in my 99 acres account. So let's capture the details of my lead right over here. So now you can see we have successfully received the lead details, be the first name, last name, phone number, email, company name or the area. Now let's add these details in a CRM, which is GoHighLevel. So for that, you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for GoHighLevel. So in order to create a connection between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect, we use lead connector. So you have to search for lead connector V2 over here. So let's search for lead connector V2 and select the same right over here. For the event, you have to select it as create or update a contact and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between lead connector V2 and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with lead connector V2. Over here you're going to see, first of all, you have to make sure that your lead connector V2 account, which is your GoHighLevel account, should be logged in. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then you're going to see that it is asking me for some permissions. So once it is asking for some permissions, you can give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Just click on this next and you have to give the permission for a particular account. So for that, you have to search for the account. Make sure to select the sub account, not the agency. So search for the account over here and you're going to see that this is the account. So let's just select this. And now our GoHighLevel account, which is our lead connector account, is connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, one by one, we have to enter all of these details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, what you have to do, put a slash, search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. So for the full name, we're going to map the first name, put a space and then the last name. Now it is asking me for many other details, but we are only going to enter the details which are required or the details which we have of our lead. Okay, so I had this number, so I'm going to map this phone number too. Now it is asking me for many other details, but we are only going to map the details which we have. After mapping these details, let's move on further. We're going to map the company name too. And now after mapping these details, we have to click on this save and send test request button. Once we're going to click on this button, you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact. So let's open our GoHighLevel account and we're going to refresh this contact list. Once we're going to refresh this contact list, you saw that we had 2 contacts. Now the contacts will turn into 3 and a new contact will be added right over here. So yes, you can see the contact list is turned into 3 contacts. Over is the name, phone, email and the business name too. Further, if you want to check the city, over here the city is also entered. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we created right now. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, instantly the lead details will be added in my CRM. And you know what my team is going to do? Just sit back and see this automation running in background. We don't have to do anything. We just have to check this automation running in background and automatically the details will be added in our CRM. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.